Okay,
He's lost it.
there's a gull out there.
Lost it.
Just started the video, but he's lost it. This gull here, he caught a crab.
He's got it. He's got it again.
He's got it again. Let's see if I can zoom
The
in.
fight is on. The crab's fighting back though, and he's got the beak.
Yeah, that crab's trying to survive.
He's trying to survive. He's got hold of the.
Oh yeah, he's got
wow.
it. I think he's going to bring it up here onto the beach. So let's not get too near, otherwise we'll startle him. Poor crab. Poor crab. Look at that. Crab is still okay. Tide might put the crab back. No. Oh. Just gently. Not too much, as I'll get a closer video. The seagull, the gull, is looking for his natural meal for today. But the crab fell victim to the gull, the sea air predator. Both have been living on these ocean shores for billions of years. Feel sorry for the poor crab. The crab is still moving around, but I think the gull has picked off some of his legs. Poor creature. Oh, the poor creature. I can't video anymore. This is sad. It's so sad. I can't video anymore. Sad. Sad.
Should we intervene here?